Today's focus is on spinal injuries, serious and potentially life-changing emergencies that require extreme caution. The spine protects the spinal cord, which controls movement and sensation. So damage here can result in paralysis or loss of function. So if you suspect a spinal injury, if the casualty has fallen from height or been in a road traffic collision, complains of neck or back pain, has tingling, numbness or loss of movement, appears confused after a head trauma. So what to do? Do not move the casualty unless they are in immediate danger. Support the head and neck in the position found. Use your hands or improvise with rolled towels. Call 999 immediately and explain your concerns. Keep the casualty still, calm, and reassured while waiting for help. Never twist, turn, or bend the spine. Handling spinal injuries properly helps prevent long consequences. Handling spinal injuries properly helps to prevent lifelong consequences.